When it comes to cooking appliances, wall ovens offer the most options. The features can seem endless, from distinct controls and convection systems to steam integration and smart functionality. But what happens when your high-tech, expensive wall oven fails right before a major holiday? In this video, you'll learn the most reliable wall oven brands to buy based on actual service calls. Let's get started. To determine appliance reliability, we compare the number of products sold to those serviced by each brand over a 12-month span. Our team of service technicians handles 8 to 10 service calls per day, 5 days a week, and an additional 110 calls over the weekend, allowing us to gather comprehensive data on appliance performance. In fact, our service team completed nearly 40,000 service calls last year alone, providing valuable insights into each brand's reliability. These are the top 4 brands based on real service calls logged by our service department just last year. Most cafe ovens purchased at Miele are their French door wall ovens. You have easier access to your food with a side swing or French door, other than a traditional fold down, because you're not lifting that turkey or roast over a door. Bosch is just a regular self-cleaning convection wall oven. They have basic features with no steam integration or guided cooking modes, yet. Bosch is worth considering for reliability. This has been a steady trend for several years. Bosch also offers decent support after the sale if you're buying from an appliance store that doesn't offer service. Miele has an excellent wall oven. Their MasterChef controls are the simplest to use. Just input the food and how you want it cooked. Then the wall oven will set the recommended time and temperature for you. You also have steam assist in this wall oven and 17 automatic bread making recipes. Thermador is the high-end division of the BSH Corporation along with Gaggenau. Thermador wall ovens have Wi-Fi, rotisseries, and even better broiler functions. However, they don't offer the same guided cooking system as Miele. Then again, Thermador is less expensive, and you have the option to receive a free dishwasher or hood with qualifying purchases. So, how does wall oven reliability compare to other appliance categories? Wall ovens need repair about 5.9% of the time within the first year, which is lower than the average 9.7% for appliances overall. However, you will have a harder time finding capable installers to put that new wall oven into your renovated kitchen or to fit a new one into an existing cabinet. And it will be even more difficult to actually find someone that will be able to service one if issues arise. So, after Googling what store to buy it from, check the reputation of the installer and that service agent. Wall ovens are reliable, but still incredibly complicated to fix. Technology is becoming more complex, so service becomes more and more of a challenge. If you average all of the service rates from cooktops, refrigerators, dishwashers, and wall ovens, you'll need to service at least one appliance within 2 to 3 years. Service has to be a part of your buying process. Check reviews of every warranty service agent. I know we sound repetitive. New wall ovens may be able to connect with Alexa, that's cool. However, having a working wall oven before Thanksgiving is far more important. Now, if you want to know which specific wall oven is right for you, click this video. Thanks for watching.